Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out who visited you on Muzz. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on your screen, you can see options like Marriage, Explore, Chat and Menu. You have to go to Explorers. Once you go to Explore, you can see options like Liked You, Visited You, Favorited, Passed and Liked. You have to select Visited You, which is second option. Well, you have to scroll down and you can see people that have visited your profile. And guys, that's it. That's how you find out who visited you on Muzz. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.